Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to use the Windows Update Cleaner that is within Disk Cleanup. This tutorial specifically applies to Windows 10 but will work on earlier versions of Windows as well. So it's very simple to do this. The first thing we're going to do is head over to our Start menu and we're going to be typing in Disk Cleanup. It should be labeled as a desktop app. We want to left click on it. This may take a few moments. Okay, so this cleanup is finished checking, and we see that there are a lot of files in here, but nothing quite for Windows Update files. So then what we want to do now is to left click on Cleanup System Files. Okay, so now we see that the second option on this list is called the Windows Update Cleanup. Going off the description, it tells us that Windows keeps copies of all installed updates from Windows Update even after installing newer versions of updates. Windows Update Cleanup deletes or compresses older versions of updates that are no longer needed and taking up space. You might need to restart your computer. And as we can see, it's not checked by default. So what we want to do is check mark right next to Windows Update Cleanup, and then you want to left click on OK, and then you'll be prompted if you are sure you want to permanently delete these files. Select delete files, left click. Now this will take a few moments, again depending on the speed of your computer and how much junk is on your hard drive. Disk cleanup finished running, and your hard drive is taking up a little bit less space thanks to disk cleanup and the Windows update. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.